If you've ever been stuck working in a tight engine bay, underneath a sink, or trying to break loose a stubborn fuel line, you know a standard wrench just won't fit. That's where this SK 3-piece adjustable crow's-foot wrench set comes in. Yeah, I'd never seen anything like it. It basically replaces a whole drawer of tools. Let me tell you some of the core features. What makes this set different from a standard Crowfoot wrench is the versatility. You get 3 distinct drive sizes: a 1/4 inch, a 3/8 inch, and a 1/2 inch drive. Together, they cover a massive range from 3/16 of an inch, tiny, all the way up to 1 1/4 inch. Yeah, 1 1/4. Instead of fumbling around looking for the exact right size, these feature a spring-loaded jaw that automatically bites down and locks onto the fastener. The jaws have serrated teeth, which gives you a killer grip on 6-point, 12-point, spline, star, and even square fasteners. Just a quick heads up, because of those teeth, you don't want to use these on round, smooth tubing, okay? In terms of build quality, SK builds these to last. They're made of heavy-duty chrome Vanadium steel finished with a matte chrome plating and a black phosphate coating. They feel solid in the hand and are built to handle real-world garage abuse. And of course, they resist corrosion. But the real secret weapon here is the dual drive end design. You can attach your ratchet and an extension bar, a flex handle, or even a torque wrench. It completely changes how you approach tight, awkward angles, giving you extra leverage and flexibility in spaces where you normally could barely get a finger, let alone a tool. If you're working on a brake system, plumber fittings, or even deep set automotive components, this set is incredibly handy. It's perfect for professional mechanics, technicians, or anyone who loves a smart DIY solution that saves premium toolbox space. If you want to clear out the clutter and always have the right size Crowfoot wrench on hand, hit the link below to check out the SK set on Amazon.